Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the worldly plates recipe, a mouth-watering dish that combines the flavors of multiple countries into one delicious meal. So, let's get started. First up, we have the Italian part of this dish, the pasta. We're using a delicious homemade pasta recipe that's sure to impress. To make it, simply combine 2 cups of flour with 2 eggs and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together, then knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Let it rest for 30 minutes, and then roll it out. Cut it into strips, and you've got your pasta. Next, we're moving on to the Mexican part of this dish, the enchiladas. Start by making a simple tomato sauce. Heat up some oil in a pan, and saute some onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Once they're soft, blend them together, and you've got your sauce. Now, it's time to assemble the enchiladas. Spread some of the sauce on the bottom of a baking dish, and then layer on the pasta strips. Top it off with more sauce, and you're good to go. Now, let's add the Korean part of this dish, the kimchi. We're using a store-bought kimchi for this recipe, but you can make your own if you prefer. Simply chop up some cabbage, carrots, and radishes, and mix them together with some gochujang, fish sauce, and sugar. Let it sit for a few days, and you've got yourself some kimchi. Lastly, we're finishing off with the Indian part of this dish, the curry. Start by sauteing some onions, garlic, and ginger. Add in some spices, and then stir in some coconut milk. Once it's all combined, you've got your curry sauce. And there you have it, folks, the worldly plates recipe. This dish is a true testament to the power of culinary diversity, and we hope you enjoy making it as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!